In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert PowerPoint slides into CapCut. Whether you're working on a school project, a presentation for work, or a creative video, combining the visual clarity of PowerPoint with CapCut's editing tools can take your content to the next level. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to export your PowerPoint slides, import them into CapCut, and arrange them into a polished video. If you're new to CapCut, it's a user-friendly video editing software perfect for both beginners and advanced creators. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to download it and get started. First, let's begin with exporting your PowerPoint slides. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. Once it's open, head over to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. A menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select Export. This is the option that allows you to save your presentation in a variety of formats. Now, depending on your needs, you have a couple of choices. If you want each slide saved as an individual image, select the JPEG format. This is a great option if you plan to edit or rearrange each slide separately in CapCut. On the other hand, if you prefer to keep the animations and transitions from your presentation intact, choose the MP4 format to save your presentation as a video file. This method works well when you want to preserve all the dynamic elements from PowerPoint. Once you've made your selection, save the exported files in a location that's easy to find, such as your desktop or a dedicated project folder. Keep in mind that if you're working with a large presentation that contains many slides or animations, the export process might take a little longer, so don't worry if you need to wait a moment. Now that your slides are ready, let's move on to importing them into CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Once your new project is set up, locate the Import button in the interface. This button may look like a plus sign or a folder icon, depending on the version of CapCut you're using. Click on Import and navigate to the folder where you saved your PowerPoint exports. Alternatively, you can save time by simply dragging and dropping the files directly into CapCut's media bin. If you exported your slides as images, you can select all of them at once by using the Shift or Control key to highlight multiple files. If you exported your presentation as a video, just select the MP4 file and click Open. Either method works. It just depends on the format you chose earlier. Next up, we're going to arrange your slides in CapCut. Look for your imported files in the media section of the software. From here, drag the files down onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear. If you're working with images, you'll need to drag and drop each slide individually to create the sequence of your story. However, if you're working with a video file, the entire clip can be added to the timeline as a single sequence. Once everything is in place, you can adjust the duration of each slide by clicking and dragging the edges of the clips on the timeline. This is a useful way to emphasize key points. Longer durations can highlight important information, while shorter durations can help you create quick, dynamic transitions. To make your video more engaging, consider adding creative elements. You can include background music for a more polished feel, apply transitions between slides to smooth out the flow, or add captions and animations to enhance the visual appeal of your content. These extra touches can transform your slides into a captivating video that's both professional and visually striking. So now you know exactly how to export PowerPoint slides and bring them into CapCut to create a stunning video. If you have any questions or additional tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.